We must consider the interconnectedness of all beings.
To truly understand world peace.
Sonam sits cross-legged on the stone floor of the monastery courtyard. Engages in a thoughtful conversation with his fellow monk. In a dimly lit room, Lobsang watches the news with a worried gaze. The TV flickers with tense news about global unrest.
Sonam, I understand your concern. These conflicts affect not just those countries, but they can disrupt trade and our own livelihoods here as well.
Sonam takes a moment before posing his question.
Lobsang, witnessing the suffering in conflict zones is heartbreaking. As Buddhists, how should we respond to such pain?
The silence between them grows dense. Sonam looks expectantly to Lobsang for guidance. Lobsang sits in solitude, his mind weaving through the intricacies of compassion. Around him, the whispered glow of candlelight dances upon sacred texts.
We must hold compassion at our core and uphold the sacred practice of prayer for our afflicted kin. As taught by the Lama Master, the seed of peace takes root within us.
It's true, Lobsang, we really must consider the broader implications of our actions. Terrorism, it's a grave consequence of unresolved conflicts. And that's why in everything we do, mercy and tolerance must guide us.
Indeed, Sonam, every little action, such as meditation and prayer, is substantial for achieving global peace. Furthermore, we must engage in profound education and dialogue to truly understand conflicts and to find more peaceful solutions.
Beneath the watchful mountains stands a place of peace. Sonam and Lobsang share hopes for harmony, their words a quiet vow for kindness to lead. Sonam and Lobsang's eyes carry wisdom as they converse. Their robes flutter, blending perceptions with Buddhist teachings.
The world spins in turmoil, but we must hold compassion as our guide.
Yes, and in our prayers, we seek peace for all beings. Hanna-Barbera.